I want to show you something today. So I'm by myself. I just woke up 30 minutes ago, took a shower, making my coffee, and I was gonna make flour tortillas. I made first time yesterday, and they were so easy and so delicious that I wanted to share it with you. So I watched, I'm watching like every evening Jamie Oliver's simple recipes. And in one of the recipes, I can use store-bought tortilla, but it's so easy to make your own that I'm just gonna make it in 2 minutes. And he just whipped it up and made it in 2 minutes. Like, yeah, I can do that too. So yesterday I tried and it was a fantastic. So I made about 10 out of 2 cups, I think. I didn't measure much, but I'm gonna measure it today. Hope it works. So 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I have this Bob's Red Mill one, but you can use any all-purpose flour that you have in at home. So 2 cups flour. Gonna use a little bit of water. Let's start with 1 cup, right? All right, I'm gonna add gradually because I will just feel the consistency. I'm gonna mix the salt in the water so it kind of mixes better in the water, because this is like sea salt and it's like flaky salt. So yeah, and I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, because it just gives the flavor and it gives these tortillas, it makes the tortillas very nice and soft and pliable and delicious. All right, that should be good. Okay, mix it. So there's my flour. Just gonna make a little wall here and pour. I will do, all right, so 3/3. Okay, how much did I put? Okay, more than ½ cup. Okay, let's just test it. Let's just test it. Might need a little more. Right, yeah, it's gonna need all. I can tell. There we go. And if I added more water than I needed to, I can always add more flour, right? If it's too thin. All right, might need a little more water. So it always, like, you know, that's why I don't like measuring, because it just tells you. Yeah, I need more water. So just add and see, okay? It's gonna work, because it just worked perfectly yesterday, because I was not taping it and I was not measuring anything. Okay, this one needs a little flour. Okay, perfect. All right, coming together. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And see, it's done like in, all right, how many minutes? 2 minutes. Yeah, your dough is done. It's perfect. All right, we can move this here. Okay, we can work on it just a little more. I'm gonna get my cutting board. Okay, and sprinkle some flour. Now let's make the roll kind of thing. So for dinner, I made grilled pork, and I sliced it into small pieces and put them on the tortilla. I also had like leftover cabbage and corn slaw, and put the recipe out maybe this week. And then we do those little doughs. Cut it. And that was a good size. Let's see how many we can make out of 2 cups, guys. 2 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, it's good, right? 2 cups of flour, like 30 cents or 50 cents. Not bad at all. Okay, and then, okay, I'm gonna start my skillet, make sure it's hot. And then you just roll them. And it's not a hard dough, so it's quite easy to make it the right thickness. All right, make sure you have enough flour there so that they don't stick on the surface. Yeah, and so on top of this pork, so we put it on the tortilla, then slaw, and then I also make this beautiful green pesto with the herbs, whatever herbs I have that I know that I'm gonna not end up using in a day or two and they're just going bad. I put it in the food processor, add some nuts, whatever nuts I have, hazelnuts or walnuts or pine nuts, little bit of garlic, pepper, lemon juice or vinegar, olive oil, and makes fantastic pesto. All right, that's perfect. All right, see, nice and thin. Make sure this is hot. First one is just like pancakes. First one is always little, you know, not as beautiful as the rest of them, but you know, we'll see. So while this is cooking, you can work on the other tortillas, right? Okay. I think it should be a fun project with the kids, right? They will make a little mess, but who cares? Well, many of you know that I don't like working with dough because I feel like it's hard. It's hard, but this is really easy. I mean, I didn't play around with the sourdough this quarantine time because it's just too much. It's too much work for me. This is easy. This is so delicious. You can just drizzle a little bit of olive oil and wrap it and just eat. Yeah, just like that. I don't like when the flour dries on my hands, the dough. I don't like the feeling of the dry dough. Okay. All right, so here. Check my tortillas. Not yet, but it's coming. It's gonna be good, trust me. Okay, and my coffee is almost ready. It's hard and easy when you are at home by yourself to make the videos like that. I like that nobody's bothering me, or I'm not bothering anybody with doing my video. Well, when Lila's not here, it's hard to do everything by myself. Okay. Looking good, looking good. I'm gonna bring it closer so you can see it. There. So it has little bubbles, but trust me, second one will be much better because pan got nice and hot and it just starts these beautiful bubbles, creates the bubbles. Oh, yeah. But yeah, that was kind of like that in yesterday too. Couple more minutes. Stay with me. Stay with me. Can have some coffee. I drink my coffee without sugar. No milk, no sugar. My Turkish coffee. Ah, look at those beautiful marks. Isn't it gorgeous? All right, let's try the second one. And my heat is on kind of like medium high, like more medium than, yeah, more medium high than medium low. Smells so good. Smells so good. All right, gonna need a board for it. Place it here. And while it's cooking, work on the rest. So I'm just gonna make sure that this is nice and round. And yeah, you definitely need to sprinkle some flour here. That helps. Okay. All right, it took me about 2 minutes, right, to make the dough, and just takes time. If you have like 2 skillets, oh, look at these bubbles now. Isn't it gorgeous? Yes, it is. Love it. So I was saying that I'm not gonna eat bread, but I will definitely eat these. Maybe make like fish, oh, not fish, like egg tortillas. I'll see what I have in the fridge and I'll create something, and I will put the picture out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yay. This is what you want. This is what you want to see and create. Gorgeous. See, it's going fast now that the skillet is nice and hot. Okay, perfect. It's gonna go fast. Like if I had like 2 pans out here, I would not be done, but you know, it takes 10 minutes, literally 10 minutes, and you have delicious, like the most delicious tortillas that you cannot buy at the store. Trust me. If you are gonna make Mexican dinner at home and you are using tortillas, flour tortillas, please do that. Make that. So easy. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna finish it up. I don't want to bore you guys because I don't know what to talk about right now. Because I didn't really plan to last that long. But yeah. All right, let's see this one. All right, so you flip it, and the skillet is dry, so it has no oil, nothing. It doesn't need anything. And then you can save it in the, like, just let them cool down and save it in the Ziploc bag, just like you buy wrapped in the plastic, right? So you can give like darker marks. It's up to you. Just guess. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, I hope you enjoyed, guys, and I will see you later. Ciao, ciao.